Tommy?
Hey, Kevin.
Drill drivers, impact drivers. When are you grabbing one versus the other?
If I'm doing a lot of framing, especially if I have a lot of engineered lumber and big screws, I'm gonna get an impact driver.
So impact driver's got like almost like a little hammer action in the back, and
Yep.
that's helping you drive and actually get over the resistance of, say, engineered lumber?
And keeping the screw and the attachment together tightly.
And when are you grabbing the drill driver?
If I gotta drill a lot of holes and maybe drive a couple of screws here and there, I'm gonna get a drill driver.
So, you know, you're doing some nice clean holes, or if you're doing countersink, you
Right.
just want the rotation.
You just want the rotation. You can drill with a drill like that, and you can drill with an impact driver if you have the right attachment that would fit in it, and they have to be impact rated also.
So what's this idea that a impact driver is helping you keep good contact between bit?
Yeah, I mean, the drill, this is a Phillips head, and it's got a V on it, and that matches the angle of the tip. So it seats in there really nicely. And you want to make sure that it all lines up in all the directions of the circle. When I drive it, you start the screw, give it a little start, and then push on it hard. Drives the screw home.
And the comparison to this is that you might not get great contact?
Well, you get good contact, but sometimes it falls out. It takes a little more effort to get it started. And I want to force it in, push hard. See how it wants to slip out?
Oh, the worst sound when it's stripping.
It's terrible. So now, if I keep doing that, this tip is going to get ruined and the screw is going to be junk.
Okay. Well, good that we've got both at our disposal.
Absolutely.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.